So Korean skincare has made my skin and my life so much easier. I really wish I would have knew about this like 7 years ago. So today I'm going to tell you my top products that I use every single day and that has helped my skin tremendously. All right, so we're gonna start with, this is Som by Me Snail Trucica. So this cleanser is actually, it's a low pH gel cleanser. And when I went to one of the KBeauty outlets, I was using a cleanser, very high brand cleanser that, said that it's very, very calming for sensitive skin. And for some reason, it just did not work for me. Every single time when I washed my face with this specific cleanser, I was getting very, very red over here. And the woman at KBeauty outlet told me to try this. She said, try a low pH gel cleanser, and I kid you not, it really has transformed my skin. Okay, so I use this every single day, every morning and night. So my next product, this is called Mugwort Cream. So once again, the woman at KBeauty outlet, she had said, if you want something, a moisturizer that you put on after this gel cleanser, try this because it relieves redness and it makes your skin very calming. I'll tell you right now, one of the reasons why I like this, the smell of this is so wonderful. It kind of smells like a lavender, but it just, when you put this on your skin, it's so soothing, not greasy at all. So I recommend the Mugwort Cream if you have sensitive skin. Now my next product is the Velvet Beauty Cream. This is actually something that I put, it's like a makeup boosting cream that I put on right before my makeup. This cream just makes my makeup look better. That's all I could say. And all right, the best product that I have from Korean skincare is by Sun & Park Beauty Water. Okay, many times when I go to specific KBeauty outlets, I only see like maybe one package of this. I don't know if it gets sold out everywhere, but nobody recommended it to me. The only reason why I got this was because of the bottle and it said the word beauty in it. So if you guys want to tell me how you use this product, I'm going to tell you how I use it. So when I go into the shower, when I come home, I will cleanse my face in the shower, and then while I'm setting my hair conditioner, I put this on my face and I just let it stay on my face for about maybe 15 minutes, and then I shower it off. But I'm telling you, when you put this product on, your skin just feels beautiful. It feels silky. It just feels like you have new skin. Like honestly, I've never, ever seen a product like this work tremendously on my face. So guys, these are my top 4 Korean beauty skincare products. So let me know what you guys think of these products if you have them. But really, they have worked wonders for my skin. All right, take care everybody.